Hi, it's Stukulele from Uke Mullum. Today we're going to learn how to play This Guy's in Love With You by Burt Bacharach and Hal David. Before we start, if you would like to see more of these videos, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you would like to get the song chart as a PDF, please support us on our Patreon page. I'll just go and get changed. This guy's in love with you. Yes, I'm in love. Who looks at you the way I do? When you smile, I can tell we know each other very well. How can I show you? I'm glad I got to know you, 'cause I've heard some talk. They say you think I'm fine. Yes, I'm in love, and what I do last to know. My hands are shaking. From there my heart keeps breaking, 'cause I need your love. I want your love. Say you're in love with this guy. If not, I'll just die. This Guy's in Love With You. Normally, after the instrumental part, you would play another bridge and then another chorus before the outro. But with view to keeping this lesson nice and quick, I've left that out. We've just gone through the first few verses. I'll just go and get changed again. First chord is C major 7. I like to use my second finger on the second fret of the first string. And then we have the beautiful F major 7, which is, I take these two fingers, the number 2 and 3, and they're both going to go on the 5th fret, right here. Lovely spacious major 7 chord. And then we have a third major 7 chord, which is going to be B flat major 7. Which is like an E minor shape, moved up closer to your face and down one. Or you could call it a B flat, and then you just raise your finger so that you've got fret 1 of the 2nd string, fret 2 of the 3rd string, fret 3 of the 4th string. Our E7 suspended, let's go to the E7. We all know E7, right? That's 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 1st string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. 1st finger, 1st fret, 4th string. That's our E7. But before we play that chord, we're going to move this finger, our 1st finger, up 1. So it's on the 2nd fret. And that becomes a suspended chord. Then we have our G minor 7. Your first finger is covering the first fret of string 1 and 2, and your second finger is on the second fret of string 3. The chord that follows that is a C9. So all we have to do is lift our finger off so it's no longer covering the first fret of the second string. Yeah? A B flat 9. Let's try it like this. Take your normal G shape, which is 0, 2, 3, 2. And now we're going to move it up closer to your face and down 1. Now take your pinky and put it on the third fret of the first string, which is the C note. That's one way you can play it. You could also bar the first fret and then put your second finger on the second fret of the third string, and then you're free to use the third finger on the third fret of the first string. Whatever's more comfortable. E minor 7. These two fingers, second fret of the first and third strings, like a G with the middle bit taken out. D7 sus 4. I find the easiest way to play this one is first finger covering pretty much all 4 strings on the second fret, and then I'm going to use my third finger to cover the bottom 2 strings, strings number 1 and 2 on the third fret. There's a better shot of it. A minor 7, which is like that. No fingers at all. A minor 7, also known as a C6. And then we've got our D minor 7. So it's like your normal D minor shape. So you've got first finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, fourth string, third finger, second fret, third string, and now we're going to add our pinky to the C note, which is the third fret of the first string. There we go. There's an alternate shape for D minor 7, and it is simply barring the 5th fret, D minor 7. You may want to use that instead. The strum pattern I'm using is pretty much your standard down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Also, if you'd like the chord chart as a PDF and occasionally practice tracks as MP3s, please do support us at the Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Uke Mullum. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.